Hello friends, how are you all? Last time we saw a video on table coir decor and see how the table is there on my friend room. So inspired from that, I am again thinking of doing another video where I will be using coir for flower vase decoration. So you all will be having some properties in your house, even decorative pieces, which will be accidentally fallen from your hands, or while you were cleaning the room, it something happened because of that cleaning, and it fell that a decorative piece fell down from there. Like that, one happened with me also. So this is a flower vase given to me by my friend. Unfortunately, it fell down from my hand, and see the condition of it. So I'm going to use square to redecorate this flower vase piece. So what are the ingredients? Sorry, what are the things required for this? Includes a coir. This is available in all shops in India. Another one is a cardboard. This cardboard, it's from my when I bought a chapel, I got this one. So don't throw such items away, you can make use of it. Then what else you want is few sticks. I will show you when to use these sticks. Okay, while we will be doing it, I will be showing this how to use the sticks in your decorating. Then we want is a Fevicol. You can use any glue you have, but make sure that that glue will help you in sticking that materials. So first of all, we will take this cardboard box, and we will take 2-3 pieces from this cardboard box. Okay, so shall we? Okay, let's take 2-3 pieces from this cardboard box. We just want two pieces, and that will be used for strengthening the. So these are the 2 pieces I took from the cardboard box. Okay, now I am going to put those cardboard pieces in the top portion of the flower vase which was broken. Okay, so I will be gluing it. I'll put some glue on it, and I will stick both pieces, and then I will put it on that flower vase, on the top of that flower vase. Okay, so this is how it will be looking. Okay, so I'm just showing how to how to glue it, and after sticking both, now we have to keep that piece on the top of the flower vase. It is a top portion that unfortunately, when it unfortunately fell down from my hand, the top portion got destroyed. So I'm gluing that cardboard boxes, and I'm putting it on the top of that flower vase, so you can see now. Okay, so see how it fits well tight there, but to reinforce that cardboard box, I am putting 2-3 sticks on the 4 corners of that flower vase. You can see it how we can stick it. We have to put some glue on that and have to attach it to that cardboard boxes. That sticks has to be attached to the cardboard boxes. Similarly, we have to do with all the other 3 sides also. So this will help in keeping that box intact. So what we are going to do is we are going to roll that coir on the top of this cardboard box. So as to give more strength to that cardboard box, we are fixing these sticks to that. Yes, second one is over. Then this is the third one. Here goes the third one. Okay. Okay. And I put that fourth one also. Now what we had to do is to roll that coir on the top of this cardboard box. So what we are doing is the coir decoration, right? So I am using that coir to roll on this cardboard box. So this coir you will be getting it on all shops, okay? You don't have to worry about the coir. It is getting in cheap rates also. For me, I got one bundle for 7 rupees. This coir, no, why we are using coir? It gives a very catchy look to that decorative item. And what I'm going to do now is that coir which I got is it consists of three small pieces. All the three pieces they put it to one big coir piece. So I don't want that whole big bunch. So I'm planning to take two pieces out of that main piece because if you use it as such, no, it won't be looking good. So I took two pieces out of that and I'm going to roll it now. I'm putting some glue on it. After applying glue on that flower vase and also on that cardboard box, cardboard piece, I will be sticking that coir pieces on this top on this flower vase. It won't take much time, okay? In your spare times you can do all this. It won't take much time. All you want is the interest to make or create something. See, it's very easy. Just have to roll the coir on the flower vase. Now you got a framework for that broken flower vase, okay? And that four sticks are giving good support to that cardboard box inside that. That's all. Almost 80%, 85% is complete. Now what I am going to do is I am going to apply some paint on top of this coir. So I am using a green shade and a brown shade because it should match with that flower vase color. So I am using acrylic paint and I am going to mix that paint. And if this is optional, if you want to give a raw look to that coir decor, you can leave it as such, okay? But if you want to give give a color that matches with that flower vase, you can go with the any paints that is available with you. I'm using acrylic paint. Whichever color is available with you, you can use it. So you have to just color that coir. Any color you can give, it depends on your choice. So I am giving a brown color because those flowers on that flower is, hope you can see that it's of dark brown and light brown color. So I thought of giving a brownish darkish brown color to that coir. So it's over. It won't take much time also. See, it's almost over, that painting. with that brown color is over. That's all. And almost 90% is 95% is complete now. So this is the final version. I stick few mirrors on top of that coir. So, and I this is the final version, which, see how beautiful it is. If you like my channel, please don't forget to subscribe it, so that whenever I post new videos you can watch it, and a good it will be a good experience for both of us. Thank you.